Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make these absolutely delicious and extremely filling twice-baked sweet potatoes. You can have fun playing around with different flavors. Today I'm doing Mexican style. The first thing you need to do is thoroughly scrub and wash the potatoes. Then prick around the whole potato with a fork. Next we're going to brush the potatoes with some coconut oil. Then we're going to pop them onto a tray with some aluminium foil that's been greased. We're then going to pop those into the oven for about an hour, depending on the size of your potato, turning halfway through. When the potato comes out of the oven, it should be nice and soft to the touch. After about 5 minutes of cooling, we're then going to slice the potato in half. We're then going to scoop out the flesh, leaving about ½ centimetre all the way around. Then I just like to run the spoon over the potato just to smooth everything out. Next we're going to mash the scooped out potato. To that we're then going to add in the black beans, the corn, some pepper, the salt, and finally the taco seasoning or Mexican spice. Then give everything a good mix together to combine. We're then going to scoop the mixture back into our potatoes. Now I like to top it off with just a little bit of vegan cheese. Then we're going to pop them back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. To finish, I'm going to top it off with some tomatoes, some avocado, a drizzle of sour cream or yogurt, then finally some spring onions, and a dash of cayenne pepper. And there you have a meal perfect for lunch or dinner. Oh yeah, I absolutely love this flavor combination and they're so filling. So really hope you enjoyed this recipe guys. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye!